Today we're going to demonstrate Striem's riser system, specifically how to install a riser. So what we got here is a 50-gallon tank. This is our OS 50. Every tank comes with a cover adapter, which is responsible for holding the cover. So when installing a riser, the first step you want to do is take the cover off. You'll have to remove all 4 bolts, cover bolts, which we've already done. You can pry it from the pry point there. The second thing you're going to want to do is loosen the upper clamp that holds the adapter to the tank, and that will loosen up the adapter so you can remove it. So we'll loosen that up. Loosen the upper clamp. This cover adapter will remove from the tank. Note that we have kept the bottom clamp tightened, so that'll stay tight, and that's what actually connects this net gasket to the tank. Then you will cut your riser to whatever height you need to bring the cover to grade, and then you attach the riser to the tank. I'll have Andrew come hold that riser in place. We will tighten the upper clamp back again, and the nut driver that is used to tighten down the clamp comes with every single tank. And then you're going to take your cover adapter, which is adjustable as well. So this has 6 inches of adjustability upwards and downwards. So you'll attach that back onto the tank. You're going to tighten that same clamp system that's attached to the top of the riser, and then that will bring your cover flush with grade. So you'll attach your cover back on there. Of course, we didn't tighten down the adapter, but that is a general system, and then this adapter is also adjustable up to roughly 8 degrees in each direction. Thanks for watching.